Hi guys, morning. So I never do this, but today I just thought, why not? Basically, I start my morning with this. Colgate has always been my favorite. It's like a childhood memory, you know. It's so cool. So basically, there's this thing that color theory that purple cancels out yellow. And this is the moisturizer. This is the sunscreen. Never miss the sunscreen, ever. And the moisturizer. Again. So cute. Okay, because I have such thick eyebrows, half the cream that I put on the face goes on the eyebrows, so I do that. Don't forget literally any part of the skin. And recently when in my travel I found a lip balm which has SPF, so yay me. Perfume. Okay, so these were my glow up hacks, but now I really have to run. I have a shoot to get to. All done. Glowing now.